So I've been able to pay off, not only pay down, pay off some of my mortgages, right? Based on the Housing Choice Voucher Program. It's an honor to work with these people. I love my Section 8 tenants. They really do take care of my properties, and I'm sure that they would say the same for us. It's a mutually beneficial program. And yes, I've heard so many bad things when I talk to other people. Oh, Section 8, they're gonna tear your house up. They're dirty people. They're just low life. That's with anything. So now that's why I created the Landlord's Guide to Section 8 housing. I'm telling you, I'm concerned about our country. I'm concerned about the state of the real estate markets as unemployment ends. Businesses are going away. People may or may not be employed over the next few months as we approach the holidays, Thanksgiving, New Year's, Christmas. A lot of my tenants, my traditional tenants, they want Santa Claus before they pay the rent. And they're always late Thanksgiving, Christmas. Not for Section 8. They pay on time every time.